Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll dive into best FavePay rewards strategy. So let's quickly dive into it. To get the most from FavePay, start by linking your best cash app credit card. This lets you stack your card reward with FavePay promotion for maximum value. The next is to plan your spending around promos. FavePay often boosts cashback on weekend, holidays, or special merchant deals, so times your purchases to take advantage. You can also use the port or the tracking tools in the app to monitor your spending, which makes sure you hit the categories with the highest reward. Small, smart moves like these turn everyday purchase into extra savings. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe for more quick money tips, and comment which FavePay reward you are trying to use, or which of these reward you're trying to use first. And that's it.